Today's topic is angular acceleration. The rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. जैसे हम लीनियर वेलोसिटी और लीनियर एक्सेलरेशन की डेफिनेशन देते हैं, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ linear velocity is called linear acceleration. Same as the rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. It is denoted by alpha. Angular acceleration alpha will be equal to omega by t, or we can write alpha is equal to delta omega by delta t. Average angular acceleration, its unit will be radian per second square, because omega is radian per second. Now our next topic is relation between angular acceleration and linear acceleration. We know that linear velocity v is equal to omega r. After dividing both the sides by t, v by t will be equal to r omega by t, and v by t is called acceleration, that is a, r omega by t is alpha. So linear acceleration a will be equal to r into alpha. Linear acceleration will be equal to radius into angular acceleration. Take some examples. Question number 1. A wheel is moving. A wheel is revolving 30 revolution in 10 seconds. Find frequency of revolution, time period, angular velocity, linear velocity, distance covered in half an hour, given radius of circular path is 0.5 meter. Solution. We know that frequency is equal to number of revolution per second. So here f will be equal to how much revolutions are there in 10 seconds. Total 10 seconds, there are 30 revolutions, and divided by total time, that will be equal to 3 revolution per second. That is called 3 hertz. Unit of frequency is hertz. Next one, B part, time period. Time period is will be the reciprocal of frequency. It means t will be 1 by f, that is equal to 1 by 3 second. Third is C part, angular velocity. Angular velocity, omega is 2 pi n. Omega is 2 pi, n is given 3, that is 6 pi radian per second. Next one, D. D part of the equation. D is linear velocity. Linear velocity v will be equal to omega r, that is 6 pi into 0.5, that is equal to 3 pi meter per second. We can put the value of pi 3.14 e. Next, last part, distance covered in half an hour. E part, distance as, what will be the distance? Distance equal to the velocity into time period. Linear velocity into the time period. Linear velocity is 3 pi. S is equal to v into t, that is 3 pi, and time is half an hour, that is 30 seconds. So total distance covered in 30 seconds. Oh, half an hour. Half an hour means not 30 seconds. Half an hour means 3600 divided by 2 seconds. In 1 hour, 3600 seconds are there. So total distance covered 3 pi into 1800 meter.
ये जो बॉर्डर डालते हो ना सर, ये आउट कलर की होनी चाहिए और भी चलेगी।
सर्कुलर मोशन में ये जो प्रॉब्लम है इसमें सारे मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स कवर हो जाते हैं, और भी इस टाइप के हम कई प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकते हैं इससे रिलेटेड, सर्कुलर मोशन से रिलेटेड। जैसे एक और एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, a body revolves around a body revolves in a circular path of radius 0.25 centimeter. Find the distance and displacement after 1/4 revolution. This will be point A, B, O point. Radius R is equal to 0.25 and distance will be equal to the arc AB, that will be 1/4 part of 2 pi r, that is equal to 1/4 into 2 into pi, and what will be r? 0.25. So distance will be equal to pi by 2 into 0.25, that is 1/4 बोल सकते हैं, pi by 8 meter, pi by 8 centimeter, because radius is given in the centimeter, pi by 8 centimeter. Second part, displacement will be equal to root 2 r, that is 1.414 into r is 0.25 centimeter. Graphical representation of motion.